If you're not taking advantage of technology to help you create your YouTube content or whatever content you're creating, you're really missing out. Today, I'm going to go over my top 3 tools that I live by for content creation and honestly, even more things. But I'll go over why they are essential to my content creation process so you can decide if they're right for you too. Let me know in the comments what your favorite tools are when it comes to creating content. I would love to know. Okay, so the first one, if you've been here a while, if you know me at all, you know it's Asana. Asana is where I store and organize all of my content ideas, where I track the creation process, delegate tasks, and plan when and what to post. It also makes collaboration super easy if you are working with a team to help you in your content creation process. So for content creation in Asana, this is my YouTube content plan. I use a combination between board and calendar views. The great thing about Asana is it offers so many levels of customization, so you can really use it in the best way that works for you and your unique brain. We all think differently. Asana recognizes this and has many ways of setting things up or doing the same things in different ways so that you can really use it in the way that works best for you. It is the ultimate task and project management tool in my opinion. I also have templates in Asana for my content system and workflows. You'll see I have 35 tasks for every YouTube video that I create. This template helps me so that I'm not starting from scratch every time and I don't have to worry about remembering every little task that I have to do when I create a new YouTube video. There's a lot, as you can see, that goes into each new YouTube video. So Asana saves me so much time by keeping that list that I can use over and over again instead of having to remember every little task that needs to be done. Asana is easy to learn. You can just hop in and start using it without having to jump through hoops to learn how to use it. It's super user-friendly. There's so much included in the free version, and I've made it my specialty to help you optimize the free version. If you want to start using Asana or need help optimizing and setting up your systems in Asana so that you can work more efficiently, go to samanthakasbrick.com/Asana to either grab my pre-made template or get my custom one-on-one support. In my course Asana Essentials, I actually give you my very own template that I just showed you for my YouTube workflow, these 35 tasks. That is in there for you, so you don't even have to think about what all you have to do for YouTube. You can also browse through my channel. I have a whole bunch of Asana videos to help you out here on this channel. Asana has truly been a game changer in my and my clients' businesses. It has completely transformed the way that we work. Okay, the next tool that I want to talk about today is called Veed. So Veed replaces so many other tools that I was previously using in my business before I switched over to Veed. It replaces Loom, it replaces Async, it replaces professional video editors, all of which I previously used as part of my content creation process. I actually just recently switched to Veed from Loom and Async, and I'm so glad that I did. I know that Loom is the popular choice among online business owners, but personally I experienced tons of technical difficulties with it, and I didn't find support to be all that helpful. So if that's you too, but all you see is everyone else talking about how great Loom is, know that there are other options available, Veed being one of them. I am currently using Veed right now to record my screen, so whenever you see the screen recordings pop up, that is done using Veed for this video and my future videos. And Veed actually offers a lot more than Loom anyway, so to me it's a better option. So you can choose from various different options to record. You can record with just your camera, just audio, so that replaces the program I was using called Async. You can record just your screen the camera, slides and camera slides. You can also upload any previously recorded videos. So like for this video, I am recording the face to camera video with my phone. And so I can upload that to Veed and then combine these two videos and edit them from there, all within Veed. You can also add stock videos from right within Veed. If you're right in the middle of editing with Veed and you need to change something or you forgot to add something, you can just record right within the editor and really easily just add it to the project that you're working on. There are so many features when it comes to editing with Veed, and it's super user-friendly. I am far from a professional video editor, so if I can use it, so can you. It's made it really easy for me to start editing my own videos. Some of my favorite features in the video editor are the voiceover option. So you can do a voiceover over any any part of your video. You can pause the video. I did that recently in a video where I wanted to add something in with just my voice, so I just paused the screen and did the voiceover. I showed you they have stock videos and you can literally just drag and drop them right into the timeline. Is that what that's called? Timeline? I have no idea. Into this editing part. You can add subtitles. It'll automatically transcribe your video for you. You can add text in multiple different ways. You can add the animation to the text. You can customize this in many different ways and add it anywhere into your video. And there's honestly so much more. Those are just some of my favorites. They also do have an AI feature where it's supposed to get rid of gaps and filler words in your video. But I tried it and I honestly wasn't that impressed with that feature. So I wouldn't count on that feature if that's something that's important to you. But Veed wins overall for what I'm looking for. Oh, and if you're using Veed to create content on social media, they also have templates in there. And you can also resize your video to fit that dimension for that specific social media platform. And it honestly makes repurposing super quick and easy. That's not something that I'm focusing on these days, so that's why I didn't mention it in my favorites features, but it is a really good feature that if I was still repurposing, like, it would save so much time. If you want to go try Veed, you can try it for free. Go to samanthakasbrick.com/Veed. I super appreciate you using my link and supporting my channel. It allows me to keep providing these free resources for you. Okay, so the third tool that I'm going to talk about is Canva. Canva is another essential tool for my content creation process. I use it to create my thumbnails and it makes it so easy. Canva has a bunch of features and templates that you can use. You can just click search, type in YouTube thumbnails, and it will bring up a bunch of templates that you can use and you can customize. So for example, if you click on one, you can click customize this template and you can change anything you want to in here. You can change the colors. So if I wanted to change this background color to one of my colors, if I wanted to change this image, I could do that. If I wanted to move the image around, if I want to change the font, I can do that. The color of the font. If I want to add effects or animate or anything that I want to do, I can do. I can customize it all. There are also tons of stock images and graphics you can use. So if I want, for this one, it's a woman singing, so let's put that in. And so you'll see there's graphics of women singing, there are photos of women singing, there are also videos of women singing. You can do shapes, but that's not going to come up for that. There's all these other options too, but the ones that I use most are graphics and photos, sometimes videos. I also love the photo editor as well. So let's see if I can edit this photo here. All right, so you can remove the background. Does she have a background or is it a color? Oh yeah, it was a background. So you see that it removed the background perfectly. You can use this magic eraser, which I love using for my YouTube thumbnails. So I can delete her picture there. And then if I bring up this picture, if I click edit photo, magic eraser, and then I can adjust the brush size here, but I usually just use the default. And I can remove my mic from my hoodie and it will keep my hoodie intact and my skin. Watch, it's amazing. All I did was color on it with the brush. And it's gone. And it looks like it's just my normal hoodie there and there was nothing there to begin with. How cool is that? You can also like do a bunch of other things. Oh, I can grab myself. So this magic grab button, I can grab myself and separate myself from the background. So now I can move myself around without moving the background. So if I'm like, oh, I want to be over here in the picture, then I can do that. And it just randomly adds something in the background there. That's not that great actually, but it works better for certain things and not as good for other things. But I think that's a super cool option. And then you can like adjust, you can edit the image with all of this fancy stuff as well. In my opinion, it's completely necessary if you do any kind of graphic design for your business. When I tell you that I used to waste hours using other programs to create graphics, just save your time and sign up for Canva. It's super user-friendly and it's great for people who are not professional graphic designers. although I think even professional graphic designers use it too. There is a free version that you can use, but I think it's definitely worth it to get the pro version. I've had it for years and I have no plans to stop. All right, if you liked what I had to say about Asana and you're ready to get started with Asana, be sure to check this video out next, where I show you step-by-step how to get started the right way. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. I'll see you next week. Bye.